It is a replica made by the Northern Aeroplane Workshops. These all fly. Yes, definitely. The cowling and the spinner are just like the albatross.
Because they've designed them to be aerodynamic.
Yeah, exactly.
Over the cylinders.
Yeah, that's it. What we call an NACA type cowling. And of course the Shuttleworth trusses.
So there are lots of the propellers actually doing anything, isn't
No, just the tip port. Yeah. The Shuttleworth truss is well known for its collection of old vintage vehicles. Because Richard Shuttleworth, who was killed in a Wellington bomber in 1942, this collection is all dedicated to him. This is a Sopwith triplane replica made by the Northern Aeroplane Workshops. This has been restored actually, I know. Beautiful shape, aren't they? Marvel at the design, exactly. Yeah. Beautiful works of art, aren't they? This is laminated. The propeller will be laminated, you see. Yeah, to that shape. Look at these, Laurie. Look at this collection in here. Tiny.
Oh, because in pilots we used to deal with them when I first in engineering. Tubes.
Oh, right.
Tubes. Because they'd be tubes for
airframes. Tube structure, yeah. Tubes for aircraft. It's an older version, isn't it?
And they were in Albury and Birmingham. Yeah,
that's it. Look at the detail in these. Amazing.
Oh yeah.
Okay, another one. Great.
That's got the shows.
Oh, you'll be back here, I tell you.
Yeah.
You'll be back here. It's a pleasure bringing you here, actually. Oh, these are adverts from the old aeroplane magazine, aren't they?
Tipsy Train, is that?
Tipsy Trainer. No, Tipsy, FO Tips. Made in Belgium. Yeah. Well, you'll see the real aeroplane in a minute. The real aeroplane lives here. Right, then we've got a Sopwith Camel here, Barry. Another replica. These all fly. Now this has actually been recently restored. It tipped over. It clipped its wheels coming to land and it tipped over and they've actually restored it.
You can see why they're so short.
Short nose. Yeah.
Trying to get the siege.
And this looks like an original rotary engine in this as well.
Yeah, it's got the bombs on it.
I think it's got an original rotary in this. Clerget rotary. It is. So the old engine spins.
Does it?
Yeah. That old engine spins, and the spark plugs are on locking wire, stop them throwing out. So and to start it, they have to prime it with each cylinder before they start it and pull it through.
So why does the engine spin?
It spins. It's on a spindle on the bulkhead. It's called a rotary engine. Actually, it's called a rotary engine.
A
true rotary engine. Yeah.
Because you'd think if the engine spun, the prop would stay still.
Well, the prop's attached to it. The prop's attached to the engine.
It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah. It's lost oil, lost lubrication system, and it runs on castor oil.
Does centrifugal force keep it?
Well, this is the trouble. The torquey, the Camel was well known for pulling to the left when it took off. So
I mean,
you'd
have a terrific flywheel.
Yes,
so,
exactly.
You know, if you
you'd have to counter at it. Notice the bombs underneath, look, as well, replica bombs. Palmer Aerocord tyres. Okay, and this is Avro 504. This is done in night fighter finish, actually, this one. This has been with the Shuttleworth truss for a long, long time. Yeah. See the integrated ailerons, look, Laurie, top and bottom.
Yeah, like
now, if you,
C5, isn't it? Is that...
This is an Ux aircraft starter. It goes straight to the engine and turns the engine over.
Wasn't it the one at
Duxford? Yeah, Duxford got one as well. If you learn to fly in World War I, this is probably the aeroplane, the basic trainer they used.
That looks a better balance for CG, that does as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it makes a nice model. Notice the skid. Yeah, this is a skid as well. Stop them tipping over.
Aerofoil.
Yeah, a little aerofoil. And it's very simple suspension. Well. Yeah, skids on the wing.
Yeah. Even those cabanes are nice.
Yeah.
Aerofoil shape, aren't they?
Now you can adjust this. You see that there, that mechanism there? Yeah. That adjusts to the prop, the thrust line of the propeller. Yeah. Because if you pull one of these through, it takes two blokes to pull these through to start them. And look how high up they are as well. Dangerous thing to start. Yes. Yeah, BC Ux designed these. BC Ux was a famous pioneer aviator. He had a Bolero monoplane. And he designed this around a Ford Model T frame, I think it is, isn't it? Now. Oh, yes. Yeah, only page 0400. Okay.
Yes, a smaller one, yeah.
Okay.
That's in it. Yeah, they're
Yeah.
open copy.
Have you got your glasses on, have you, Laurie?
You're
recording,
yeah?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Okay. We've got some lovely cases, haven't they? Lovely cabinets. They're beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Look at this annular wing. It's an annular wing aircraft. Lee Richards annular wing. Oh, the old original drawings as well. Well, they've got some heritage in here, I'll tell you. Memory of those who served king and country. Okay. Now, this aeroplane here, Laurie, is a sort of tabloid.
It's not. I've seen something like that.
Yeah, sort of tabloid this is.
There's very few cream colours.
This is came after the pup, after the camel, and this was a more refined version of it as well.
How
And they
many
did the sort of
planes
style.
had actually revolving?
All
Rotary
World
engines.
War I airplanes had rotary engines.
Yeah, I know they had rotary, but
Yeah, yeah.
revolving engines.
Yeah, all the same. A rotary engine is a revolving engine.
No, I meant the cylinders revolving.
Um,
Because I thought that when you said the actual whole
no, the old engine
revolves.
terms. The old
Yeah.
engine, the same as this. Yeah, all of the World War I machines had the rotary engines. Yeah.
Oh, I thought I just assumed rotary as the firing orders in a circle.
No.
But I didn't realise the whole engine moved.
No, this is it exactly.
You know, the whole engine as a
Yeah.
mass moves round. Because they don't on these small rotary engines they make for models, do they?
No.
They're static.
They're static, exactly. Well, when you think about it, our Outrunner is really a rotary engine. Now, this is a Sopwith Dove. The Sopwith Dove was a civilian Sopwith pup, and it's got swept wings on it, slightly swept wings. This is a partial replica made down the road by Sky Sport Engineering, and it flies beautiful. Yeah, lovely model, isn't it? So the US Navy used blimps after World War II.
Yes.
There's Barnes Wallis with his Swallow rear-controlled aeroplane. It looks like a part of the structure of the R101. Because
Yes,
as you know,
it's the skeleton frame.
when we go down the road, we pass Cardington, which is the old Cardington airship hangars,
Right.
where they flew the R100 from as well. What's this?
Oh,
Oh,
that's off the R101.
look at the size of it. Look at the size of
Damaged
it.
in a collision with a mooring mast.
Oh my goodness me. Here's the autogyro taking off. There's some engine parts, two-cylinder engine.
Vimy
Yeah.
tailplane.
Crankshaft for a Gypsy 1 engine.
Vimy.
Oh yeah. They've got everything in here, don't they? Yeah. It's a wonderful collection. It's a
wing
spar of
spar.
something, isn't it? It's a
From the
wing spar.
Handley Page V13, 15.
Oh, it's a V1300. It's a big aircraft, that is. A big aircraft. See, they were all wood in them days. Everything was wood.
How they're pulled in the wings.
Yeah.
of
Yeah, it is, isn't it?